Over 20 crore people from Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry will vote today in a gigantic electoral exercise. While this is the third and final phase of polling for Assam, Bengal has five more. For the southern two states and the Union Territory, this is the first and the only phase of polling. Senior BJP leader Swapan Das Gupta, TMC Minister Ashima Patra, and former CPIM Minister Kanti Ganguly are among the 205 candidates whose campaign for the third phase of election in 31 seats in West Bengal ended on Sunday evening. In this phase, elections will be held in parts of rural Howrah, in Sundarban region, and the Diamond Harbour and Baripur belts in the South 24 Parganas and parts of Hooghly district. All 234 seats in Tamil Nadu, where the AIADMK and DMK traditionally reign supreme, vote in a single phase today. The ruling AIADMK will contest 191 seats, with 23 seats given to the PMK and only 20 seats for the BJP. Metro Man E. Sridharan, who joined the BJP recently, was among the early voters in Kerala on Tuesday morning as voting began in 140 constituencies in the state with 957 candidates in the fray. The BJP candidate for the Palakkad constituency was accompanied by his wife. I have done my duty. People are voting only for development of the state. I thought I should continue to serve my state and that is why I chose the BJP, he said after casting his vote in booth number 5A. The BJP, he said, will have an impressive show in the Kerala Assembly election. The BJP will have an impressive show this time, there is no doubt about it. I will win from the Palakkad constituency with a big margin and my entry into the BJP has given a different image to the party. This is what BJP candidate Metroman E. Sridharan said to the media. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged voters of poll-bound states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Assam, West Bengal, and Union Territory of Puducherry to step out and exercise their franchise on Tuesday morning. PM Modi took to Twitter and said that elections are taking place in Assam, Kerala, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. I request the people in these places to vote in record numbers, particularly the young voters. He made a similar appeal in Bengali, Tamil, and Malayalam as well. A single-day spike of more than 96,900 infections a day after India breached the 1 lakh mark in daily cases has taken the country's coronavirus caseload to over 1.26 crore. This is what the data from the Union Health Ministry on the morning showed. The number of the deaths climbed to more than 1,65,000, with 446 people dying of COVID-19 in span of just 24 hours. India is the country with the third highest coronavirus caseload in the world after the United States and Brazil. Maharashtra, the worst hit state in the country, has reported more than 47,000 new coronavirus cases, pushing the total count in the state to over 3.23 lakh. Several Uttar Pradesh police personnel reached Punjab's Roopnagar district on Tuesday to bring back jailed gangster turned politician Mukhtar Ansari, who faces trial in several cases in the state, officials said. Around 7 vehicles of the Uttar Pradesh police reached the Roopnagar police lines around 4:30 am. The police lines is around 4 kilometers away from the Roopnagar jail, where Mukhtar Ansari has been lodged since January 2019 in connection with an extortion case. Punjab's Home Department in a letter had asked the Uttar Pradesh government to take his custody from the Roopnagar jail on or before April 8th.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.